Hi everyone, how are you? So, today we're starting with unit number 5, which is called Things to Buy. The goals of this unit are the following. Choose and buy things. That's the main goal. In this lesson in particular, we're going to be identifying some common objects, ask about things in shops, and ask and say how much things are. So we're going to talk about prices, numbers, and objects as well. All right? So first, we have here an image of some everyday things, some common things that you may have in your house, right? So let's have a look at the image and try to think about the names of each of these objects in English, of course. Take your time and try to identify the names. What is this? So here below you have the names. Can you match them to the picture? So let's see. Number 1, we have a newspaper. A newspaper. A magazine. A postcard. A postcard. This is a pen. Yes? A stamp. Not very common nowadays, but in the past, stamps were very common, right? A bottle. A glass. Probably a glass of water, right? We can assume that this liquid is water. A sandwich. Number 8, we have a sandwich. In 9, we have sunglasses. These are sunglasses, and these are glasses, right? Sunglasses, glasses, and this was a glass of water, right? And the last one that we have here is a watch. Very good. Now let's try to think about the things that you have in your homes. Try to think about your mom's purse or bag, right? Mothers usually carry on a lot of different things in their bags. Can you think of some examples of things they might have in their bags? Maybe a pen or a mirror, toilet paper. Look at the room in which you are now. Try to think of the things you have in your room. Maybe you are in your bathroom or in the living room or in an office. So look at around you. What things do you have? Try to make a list of 10 things you can name in English. That would be very good. Now, in this part of the lesson, we're going to be talking about plurals and singulars. If you pay attention to the box here, we have words in plural and in singular. The words in singular have an A before. A pen, a bottle, a sandwich, a stamp, a glass, a watch, a newspaper, right? And we also have things in plural, such as glasses, sunglasses, and that's it for now, right? We have a stamp, a glass, a newspaper. Now here below, I have an activity for you. It says, look at the plural forms in the box. So we have all plurals, only plurals. Write them in 2 lists. So we're going to have one list for all the words that the only thing you need to do to make it plural is to add an S. For example, pens. If you delete that, that's singular, and then pens is plural. Stamp and stamps. And we will have another category for those words who have an ES at the end. So we have the word glass, yes, and then we have glasses, glasses, right? So try to classify all of these words, pause the video, and then we're going to check, all right? Okay, so let's listen.
Track 76.
Pens, stamps, postcards, magazines, newspapers,
This is the first category. Then we have the second one.
Glasses. Sunglasses.
Sunglasses,
Sandwiches.
sandwiches. Very good. Now, what do you think is the rule? When do we add s in the plural and when do we add es? What's the difference in both cases? What do you think? So let's see. Most of the words, the only thing you need to do is to add an s at the end. But for words ending in s or ch or sh or x or z, we are going to add an es at the end, right? That's the example of the word glass, right? It ends in an s. So instead of adding another one, we're going to add es, right? That is the same for the word watch. The plural of watch is watches because it ends in ch, right? So this is a rule that you have to learn. There are more exercises as always on the Aula Virtual, so you can practice some plurals as well. Now, let's see. What do we have here? We have a listening. So, it says, look at the kiosk. What do you think they sell? Choose 5 things from box in the previous exercise. So here we have a kiosk, right? A small shop in the street. Maybe try to look. What do you think they sell? What can you see here? We have newspapers, right? What else? Try to think of 5 things they could sell. Maybe newspapers, magazines, maybe pens. Okay, so listen to the owner of the kiosk and we're going to answer 3 questions. First, which things do they sell? Do they sell food? Do they sell drinks? So we're going to listen and then we're going to answer. Remember, I'm going to play the listening just once, but you can go back the video and listen again in case you need it. All right?
Track 77.
We sell newspapers and magazines, postcards and pens. What else? Sunglasses. Oh, and drinks. We sell bottles of water and soft drinks, like cola, lemonade.
What about sandwiches?
No, we don't sell food, only drinks.
Okay, so which things do they sell? Can you mention some of them? We have newspapers, magazines, postcards, sunglasses. Very good. Do they sell food, like sandwiches, for example? No, they don't, right? No, they don't sell food. But do they sell drinks? Yes, they sell drinks. For example, bottles of water, colas, and lemonades. Very good. Excellent. Now let's see. We're going to listen to 2 conversations in this kiosk, right? You're going to complete each gap with the correct question, right? So pay attention and what are the questions they ask? Let's see.
Track 78.
1,
Do you sell stamps?
No, sorry, we don't.
2,
Excuse me, do you have Newsweek?
Newsweek? Yes. Here you are.
Okay, so the first question was, do you sell stamps? Do you sell stamps? No, sorry, we don't. Excuse me. Do you have Newsweek? Do you have Newsweek? Yes, here you are, right? This is expression for when you're handling something to another person. So, do you sell? ¿Vendes o venden, right? Stamps. And then do you have? ¿Tienen, right? Newsweek. Very good. Now let's move on to talk about prices. Don't forget that we're constantly practicing numbers, right? So here we have more numbers, right? Now listen and write the numbers in the correct order, right? So here we have a number which is 60, right? This is 70, right? 70, very good. Then we have 80, 90, and 100. Very good. Pay attention. Remember the difference between 16 and 60, right? We say 16, this is longer, right? And then we have 60, a short number. So let's see. Can you tell these prices? So we have 4 and 75. That's the colloquial way of saying it. You say 4.75, right? $1.60. $1.60, right? We have 2.70, 1.30, 18.95, 3.80, 75, and 45. Practice the numbers again, right? Now, here we have a sort of like a menu from a shop, right? Then we have the image of the shop, right? We have a woman there buying something. I can't see it, maybe you can, but she's trying to buy something on the shop, right? Now, we're going to listen to two different people, right? Asking for different things. What I want you to do is to identify what's the things that she wants in number 1 and the things that the man wants in number 2 and the prices. All right? So you can have a look at here at the list, right? And try to identify what are the things they want to buy. We're going to listen 2 times. All right?
Track 80.
1,
2 coffees, please, and mineral water.
That's $2.90, please. Thank you.
2,
Can I have a small salad and a cola, please?
$1.90, 60, $2.50 then, please.
Okay, let's listen again.
Track 80.
1,
2 coffees, please, and mineral water.
That's $2.90, please. Thank you.
2,
Can I have a small salad and a cola, please?
190, 60, 250 then, please.
Okay, so the first lady, she asked for 2 coffees, right? 2 coffees and a mineral water, right? A mineral water. That's 40 cents. And the final price, when we say it is, we talk about the price, that's 290, right? That's the end price. And then we have the man, right? The second man. He asked for a small salad, 190, right? And a cola, which is 60 cents. What's the price of that? That is 250. Very good. Now try to practice saying these numbers and asking for things, right? The expressions we can use is can I have a cola? Yes. Or I would like a cola. I would like to order a cola. Or 1 cola, please. Right? And then we say it is or that is, and then the price, right? So for when you have to pay, that is for 80 or it is for 80. And then we have the expression, can I have a piece of slice? Can I have a small salad? Can I have an orange juice? Right? Can I have 2 sandwiches? Very good. So keep practicing. You can go to page 117 to look for more language about food and drink, or check our virtual classroom because we have more exercises there. All right, so grab me back if you have questions, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.